McPherson.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 28 Shoalwater Circuit in Lammermoor.
Situated on a 993 metre square allotment, this generous family home has double side access to the 6x6 metre shed and an in-ground swimming pool.
Come on in and take a look.
I'm absolutely obsessed with the functional family layout of this well-appointed home. The galley-style kitchen connects effortlessly with the dining and lounge and flows through to the large outdoor area with pool, not to mention the separate media and kids lounge.
So guys, that was 28 Shoalwater Circuit in Lammermoor. If you're looking for that perfect family home with the pool and the shed, please don't hesitate to call Anna and myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.